Welcome to our New Hope Mechanical channel. Today I am going to discuss about hand safety. We are working as a mechanical technician or any technician in industrial, is most important our hand safety, because most of the job, mostly 85% of the job we are doing by hand and fingers. So this hand and finger safety is most important for our future and present working times and our family. So we don't have any spare, any substitute for our finger and hand. Without finger or hand, we cannot do anything. It may lead to very dangerous situation for our life. So nowadays, most of the industries has more cautious to the hand safety and hand safety tools. So now I would like to introduce some hand safety tools. All of us we know already. For beginners or students, they don't know about the hand safety tools because they are not experiencing. They don't have the experiencing of industrial factory situations. So I am coming to the point. For our agenda today, I am going to introduction of hand safety tools and common causes of hand injuries. Which are the causes or which are the factors of hand injuries? How to prevent the major regrets? And I am showing some visual aids, some hand safety tools images. I will showing our slide. The last one, but not least one, how to control the hand safety or how to control the hand injuries or a pinch point. So first of all, introduction. You see that image, or you know this one before. This one of the hand safety tools, we called it hold it. This tool name we can call hold it. If you need to hold and hammering sometime, if you need to hold some hammering spanner or some cylindrical object or any object we need to hold and we need to hammer from somewhere. So that time we use this hold it tool. You can see the point here. This area we grab by tool or a cylindrical object or anything we can hold from here, and this area we rotate this one clockwise or anti-clockwise, it will come or it will grab or tie that tool. So this is one of the extension tool we using in our industries. It's very safe for, because this is extension tool that is not direct contact with the hammering or line of fire. So common causes of hand injuries. Which are the factors is reason for hand injuries? The first one, bypassing guards. If any machine has guards, if some technicians has removed the guards because of some his convenience, he remove the job or remove the guards, that time it may cause to hand injuries. In example, one of the lathe machine, the chuck maybe has guard. The technician cannot see the job or workpiece. So what he do? He remove the guard and see. Intentionally or unintentionally, his finger or hand near to the chuck. That time the machine is running. Unfortunately, it catches his hand or finger. It may cause to accident. So bypassing guards is the most factor or reason of the hand injuries. The next one, inadequate training. So the training is not comfortable, or training is not what we call this. Training is not enough. The technician suppose we work, it cause to dangerous situation. In example, we have angle grinder. So even all of us know no, the angle grinder. The guard is there, the place there. Maybe the person don't know how to operate the angle grinder or which position we can operate. He don't know. What will happen? It may lead to get accident because the angle grinder grinding is completely rotating part. So he don't know which is rotating part. He press the push button, that time the grinder will run. It may cause to accident. The next one, poorly maintained equipment. This also one of factor. It means the equipment is not in good condition or good shape. During that time, technician has worked there or operator is working there. It may cause to accident. In example, one of our portable drilling machine, hand drilling machine or battery drilling machine, the chuck is not properly maintained. The chuck tip is maybe get loose or damages. The person don't know. He put the drill bit and he operate. During that time, the chuck get loose and while running, the drill bit will fly and hit his finger or hand. It may cause to accident. Lockout tagout procedure. If you need to log out, if you need to make zero energy of the equipment, compulsory we need to do that. Otherwise, it may cause to accident. Some overconfidence technician, what can they do? They have to work without logout or without zero energy. They can work. It means maybe the situation is going wrong. He get an accident. So this is one of the factor of accident. Overconfidence in tasks. Yeah, it's also one of the factor, one of the reason. Overconfidence in tasks. Wrong PPE and without gloves. Yeah, the situational awareness may be need while are using the tools. We have, yeah, all tools in my hand, but I am without using gloves, it may cause to lead injury. So how to prevent major regrets? Hand safety is not about avoiding minor injuries, it's about preventing major regrets. Proper training, awareness, and vigilance are the real tools for protection. Employees supposed be or should be proper trained and they need to more cautious of the hand and finger safety awareness and vigilance are the real tools for the protection. Gloves misuse or neglecting PPE often leads to irreversible damage. Yeah, friends, without gloves, he operate some machines or he use some tools, it may cause to severe injuries. So it cannot be irreversible damage. It can be very dangerous situation. So gloves, while using hand tools, gloves is the most important PPE. You see the image. This is hand and finger safety tool. Already I explained this one. This is hold it tool. This is hook it. This is, we can use this one for cylindrical object holding. So this one snare it tool. This one we can tie or any cylindrical shape with this rope and we can use this. So most of companies now provide those tools. Please use this one for our own safety. If suspender load, how can we control that one? You know, we all of us we know we use tack line, but the load is more. It means it's not going to more height. It's maybe 2 meter or 1 meter height. It's from ground. We can control bus, but this type of tool, suspender load control tool, we call this one magnetic rub tool. You see this part, this one magnetic part. It will hold or grab the plate or something suspender load or material. We can hold it will grab from here, we can hold from here. This extension may be 1 meter, we can available at different sizes, 1 meter, 2 meter or 0.5 meter, whatever size we need, it can be available in some, what we call, we in online also we can book this one, it can be available at different sizes. So we can hold from here, we can control the load. Don't use this one for lifting and any other purpose. So this is only for control the suspender load. The swinging, it can be avoid the swinging of the load. So use this one also very helpful for our hand and finger safety. Now we are coming control measures. What are the control measures we taken in our industry for hand and finger injuries? First, guards and shielded tools. So the equipment has guards must be in place the guards. Don't remove the guards and don't modify that one. So guards is the most important control measure of the hand and finger injury. The next one, shielded tools. If we are going to chisel or hammering, we are using that time the chisel has the rubber part to hold and it has the rounded shape to safe use. So this is a shielded tool examples. In electrical already we know insulated tools. Next, job appropriate PPE. First you analyze the job, then you make sure all PPE is available there. If you are going to use grease, then you need to rubber gloves or use and throw disposable gloves. So don't use that normal gloves, then it may take dirty and it direct contact with our skin, get irritation or some other problem. So use appropriate PPE. Behavioral safety talks. In normal toolbox topic can take maybe weekly 2 or 3 times. Explain with control measures of the hand and finger injuries and use of say hand safety tools. Log out and tag out procedures. Already I told we if the system is running or if the equipment is in energized, don't involve any job there. So need to log out, tag out procedures following. Conduct regular safety training on hand hazards and gloves usages. In our workshop or in our workplace, conduct regular safety training for all our technicians, how to control hazards of hand and finger injuries and how to use the gloves, which gloves are appropriate for specific tasks. Display visual safety signage near high risk zones. So make some safety signage or safety symbol or safety board, any visual aids, it may help to the employees can identify or can understand the risk or hazards in their place. Thank you friends. Thanks to watching our video. If any suggestion give to me in comment box, we will improve our next video or we will edit our next video or any doubt you ask me, I will clarify further. Come to my mail ID or give comment box. Thank you.